Hello, now in this video I'm going to show you how to switch to a professional account if you have a normal usual personal account. So first open up your Instagram, then go down to your profile picture in the bottom right, select it, then go to the settings by clicking those three lines in the top right corner, then scroll down until you see account type and tools. Then you select the first one, which is switch to professional account. Then you just press continue, 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 and continue. And then just select your category, which matches your business the best. So for example, digital creator, entrepreneur, education, choose whatever. And also, if you want to display it on your profile, check the box up here. So display on profile should be activated. Then go to done. And now you have to wait a little bit. It will take up to 30 minutes as it says down there. And then select creator or business. So whichever is better, whichever suits you better. So for example, business, then go to next. Wait a little bit. And then, yeah, okay, the promotional emails you don't really need. So just untick them, go to next. And then, yeah, you can enter your contact information for your business. For example, the address or the phone number. But if you don't want to, just click don't use my contact info. And also if you want to connect a Facebook page, you can do it here. If not, just skip it. And then you're already complete, so you don't really have to do this. Maybe later, but now just press the X, and for now you have the professional dashboard, you see the entrepreneur. So here, as you can see, I can open it, for example, you see the business view. Yeah, and that's already it. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.